Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Alipay topic, tips and tricks. And in today's video, I'm going to explain everything you need to know about Alipay membership as far as Alipay Gold member is concerned. What qualify you as Gold member, and what are the things you need to do, and what are the benefits you stand to gain if your Alipay is eventually upgraded to Gold membership in Alipay. Let me show you how. So for instance, I'm going to go ahead and so right here in my Alipay, so I'm going to click on account right here. Then here you go. So for every membership status in Alipay, you stand to see your membership status right here. You start from primary level to a good level as the case may be, and platinum as the case may be. So if I click on gold right here, so I'm going to translate this page right here. Okay, now, as far as Gold membership is concerned, you can see I have fully upgraded to Gold membership. You can see the detail right here. Dear Alipay members, the rules for any point in payment, financial management, and the scan features will be gradually optimized and adjust starting at the so date, so time for the specific detail. Please refer to my other point details. All right, so now one thing here is that before you can be upgraded to Alipay Gold member, you can see my Gold member right here. There are things you need to pay proper attention to. You see where I click from the Gold section, there is always a point that you need to be claimed before you get to this level in Alipay. And one of the points here is these are the rest of the points I have not claimed. For you to claim any point, I have a 21 point right here. Simply click on claim 21 points. Just like so. So if from your own end, it might be more than that. Just try as much as possible to always claim your point. So this is the point that make me become a Gold member right here, first thing. And what bring about this point, it depends on the kind of transaction you have been doing in your Alipay account, whether receiving or sending out money in your Alipay account. Those are the things that guarantee you to be a Gold member in Alipay. And once you become a Gold member in Alipay, you are entitled to a lot of features in Alipay, such as discount in different kind of order you place through Alipay app. This is one of the huge benefits that you can get as an Alipay member. And at the same time, if you are within China or you are using Chinese bank card in your Alipay wallet, you can withdraw as much as possible from your Alipay balance into any bank of your choice as far as Alipay Gold member is concerned. Now, as a Gold member, what are the benefits you stand to gain as a Gold member in Alipay? There are a lot of benefits right here, and everything is going to be explained right here in this video. So just go ahead and click on your status badge right here, which is gold. So I'm going to translate this part just like so. Now, for you to see all necessary benefits of being a Gold member in Alipay, so what you need to do is to simply click on all privilege 37. Everything depends on the account, and then everything is going to load up right here. I'm going to simply translate this into English language translation, just like so. So these are all benefits to get as a Gold member in Alipay. You can see from level privilege to Gold member. This is my current status right here. And then these are what I stand to gain: 2 yuan instant discount in whatever I purchase, enjoy dinner at 50% off, enjoy bonuses 10 yuan for spray hairline. Monthly points can be upgraded as the case may be. Then right here, by monthly 35 yuan card, daily deals on new release. So you can scroll down and read more details about what you stand to gain in Gold member. So everything here is under Gold member section. It's about 36 things to benefit as an Alipay user. So you can as well explore and see some of the things you stand to gain as far as Alipay Gold member is concerned. And what you stand to gain is that simple. This is what I have for you as far as Alipay is concerned. For more useful tutorial tips and tricks like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.